Hi all, welcome to Digital Drilling. Let's update. Let's update the new technologies where I hope that new technologies, smart skills and trust are the top priorities for upcoming years expected by the corporate world. In today's trending technology, we are going to have an overview of Kubernetes. Talking about Kubernetes, it is an open source container orchestration platform that automates and deploy and manage and also helps for scaling of an application. So totally Kubernetes are like a containerized orchestration or a container management system developed on the Google platform. Kubernetes helps you to manage the containerized application in various types of physical, virtual as well as the cloud environment. Google Kubernetes is a highly flexible container tool that consistently deliver complex applications running on the cluster of hundreds of thousands of individual servers. So now the next question is why this Kubernetes comes into the environment. Yes, today's internet users never accept downtime, right? Therefore, developers have to define or find a method to perform maintenance and update without interrupting their services. Therefore, containers, which is isolated environment, it includes everything needed for the application and run out the platform successfully without any interruptions. So that's what we are moving on to Kubernetes. So what are the basic tasks performed by this Kubernetes? So these Kubernetes helps you mainly and also develops with the Linux kernel, which is used for distributed systems. It helps you to be abstract the underlying hardwares of the nodes or the servers and offers a consistent interface for the application that consumes the and sharpen your resources. As said earlier, today Kubernetes or the border of container ecosystem are maturing into a general purpose computing platform and ecosystem that rivals if not surpass these virtual machines. Already we have talked about them in the previous videos. In the down description I just give you all the videos I have posted on like hybrid computing, cloud computing and the virtualization machines. You can refer it over there. And here in the cloud infrastructure and the application, this ecosystem enables the organization to deliver high productivity platform as a service that addresses multiple infrastructures related to operator relations, tasks and issues surrounded cloud natives. So here the next question is, from the beginning I am telling containerized architecture. What do you mean by containers? Containers are lightweight executable application component that combines application source code with all the operating system libraries and depending requirements to run the code in any environment. Containers have lot of advantages of the form of operating system virtualizations that let you for multiple applications to share a single instance of the operating system by isolating the process and controlling the amount of CPUs, memories and all of the above. So here talking about this Kubernetes, the next question is, okay, Kubernetes is a containerized architecture. It helps to maintain good performance in the cloud. Good. Then why we need to use this Kubernetes? Kubernetes helps you to control the resource allocations and traffic management for cloud applications and microservices. It also helps you to specify various aspects of service-oriented infrastructures. Kubernetes allows you to assure where and when the centralized as well as the application need to run and help you to find the resources and the tools you want to work with. So this Kubernetes also have its own orchestration with higher levels. Specifically, in addition to share the underlying virtualization hardwares, they share the underlying virtualization OS as well. So talking about Kubernetes, one thing coming to my mind is Docker. So Docker is the most popular tool for creating or running the Linux container. While in the early form of the container we introduced lot of decades ago, these containers are like democratized in 2013 when the Docker bought them to mass with the new developers friendly and cloud friendly implementations. So this Kubernetes with the containerized architecture Today, an organization may have hundreds or thousands of them. Operations teams need to schedule and automate the deployment, networking, scalability, and availability of the projects what they have. So there are a lot of things we can do with this Kubernetes. For example, with the help of Kubernetes, you can do deployment where you are going to deploy a specific number of containers to specify a host to keep them running in desired state. Rollouts, which means a rollout is a change to a deployment. Kubernetes lets you to instance resumes and load balancing, auto scaling, storage provisioning, service discoveries, and self-healing with high availability or some of the uses of this Kubernetes what we can do with it. And in Kubernetes architecture, talking about Kubernetes architecture, it is like this Kubernetes consists of lots of clusters and nodes where the clusters are built with the Kubernetes architecture. The clusters are made with the Kubernetes nodes. So in next session we can see with different technical trends. Thank you.